This one uses my mom's very special marinade recipe, and it takes any chicken dinner to the next level. So guys, I get it, I'm a really busy mom as well, but I still want to come home and make a really awesome dinner after work. And to me, having an epic marinade makes that job so much more easy. So we want to get quite a lot of that onto our chicken. I'm using chicken thigh because I like the juiciness. But whatever your family likes best, you can do drumsticks, chicken breast, anything's going to work here. And I just want to give this a good mix. Now already I can smell the ginger and the garlic. That's what I love about this marinade. Just makes me happy that I'm having this for dinner. Now this marinade has so much flavor that you don't really need to leave it to marinate for that long. I just literally put it on and then get it straight in the pan. If you're more organized than me though, you can marinate it overnight or for a couple of hours. And now for the sizzle. Okay, so here's one of my secret tips for getting really great color and a really quick cook on your chicken. Get a lid and put it on top, press it down, and that's gonna make sure all of that chicken is in contact with that hot pan underneath. Now I can start to smell some really lovely aromas here. I think that chicken will have a really beautiful color. Let's have a look. Nice. That's what we're looking for. Turn those pieces over, and now we're just looking to cook that chicken through. So you can turn the heat down a little and cook this for another 4 or 5 minutes until those chicken pieces are done. Now this chicken is looking and smelling amazing. Yes. Okay, so I'm going to get these chicken pieces out onto my cutting board and just leave them to rest while I get the rest of our veggie bowl going. Now the other thing we're going to do here for flavor as well as convenience is use the one pan. One pan means no washing up, but it also means we're going to get a whole bunch of flavor from the bottom of this pan. So see all these little awesome brown bits down the bottom? That's good stuff. We want that stuff. But I'm going to empty out most of this oil and chicken fat because we don't really need that. Now just put that pan back on the heat, and I'm going to add some corn. I'm just using frozen corn kernels because you know they're really easy to have around. I've always got some in the freezer. And now make sure you're using a spatula to really lift off and scrape up all that flavor that we got from our awesome marinade and the chicken in the bottom of that pan. Now whenever I'm thinking about my weeknight dinner, I'm always thinking, how can I add more vegetables or more nuts and seeds? So for me, adding pine nuts to this is a no-brainer. You could use cashews as well, or macadamias would be great. And look at the color, all of that corn and the pine nuts are already taking on. Yum. Okay, corn and pine nuts looking good. I'm gonna get those out into a bowl because I want to use this same pan to cook my broccoli. Okay, pan back on the heat, add in my broccoli and a little bit of water. And then a lid on, and I'm going to let that broccoli steam away a little bit for about 3 minutes. Look at that beautiful bright green color. Nice. And then I just want to add some red cabbage. You could use white as well. I just really love this purple color. Makes me happy. And now a little extra marinade. And the great thing about having a really good marinade is that you can double up and use it like a sauce as well. Okay, and the corn and the pine nuts go back in there. And all I want to do is just toss these through until they're combined, because I still want that cabbage to have a nice crunchy texture. That ginger and garlic smells so beautiful. Now, all that's left to do is to slice up that amazing chicken. And now you want a nice heaping bowl full of those vegetables. Sticky chicken on top. And just a few little bits of greenery at the end. I've got some pea tendrils here and a few little sprigs of basil. And that, my friends, is a one-pan chicken dinner I can live with any night of the week.